Disclaimer: the video content has been made available for informational and educational purposes only. Decent does not make any representation or warranties with respect to completeness of the video content. Decent does not warrant the performance, effectiveness or applicability of any sites listed or linked to in any video content. Try it at your own risk.
Hello and welcome to my channel, Descent.
If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss the further interesting tricks video.
Let's get into our topic. Will HTML editor used as hacking Facebook account? Just open any Chrome browser in your PC. Then open Facebook in it. After opening Facebook, search your victim account in search bar, and open his account. After opening his account, you will see his profile link in top of the browser, then click on the link, and copy it. After copying link, log out from your Facebook account. Then enter the profile ID in place of email or phone number. And enter any wrong password. Then click on the login button. After clicking it, you will redirect it to the new page. Then this type of interface you will see, and click in the forgot password button. Then new page will open. Then you will see reset your password, and press enter. After pressing enter, new page interface will open. Enter a code, then right click on it, then click on inspect. Also you can directly open by pressing Ctrl Shift and I at a time. For this HTML code, press the subscribe button. The screenshot it, then message me on Facebook. Link in the description, I will provide it. This tricks work only for those Facebook accounts, which don't have two-factor authentication. If there is two-factor authentication, then you can use dark web to hack any accounts.